Hello guys, welcome to Show Me How to Fix Your a Home of Tutorial. Good to have you back. So in this video, I will walk you step by step on how to verify your YouTube channel. It's not enough to create a YouTube channel and start uploading video day in and day out, engaging your audience with content. You must know that verify your YouTube channel is a must. One of the must settings you must put in place in order for your channel to perform maximally, in order for you to enjoy some advanced feature on your YouTube channel, such as like appealing content claim. If you have not verified your YouTube page, you cannot, maybe you have a copyright material over a video that you posted, maybe someone else posted it, you cannot claim dispute over that video because first your YouTube channel has not been verified. So as it stands, YouTube does not recognize you that you are the original owner of the content you are about to dispute. So you have no legal right to dispute about the content that you use your phone to create, and somebody is using it and you want to fight for it. It cannot work. Number two is ability to include external links in your video description. If you have not verified your YouTube channel, you cannot include external links in your video description. You cannot do it. So it is very important that you verify your YouTube channel so that it can enable you. Maybe you are promoting a brand, maybe your YouTube channel has grown and you are now welcoming promotion of brand partnership, and you want to refer your audience to their website. You can't include that website link in your video description just because you have not verified your YouTube channel. Number 3 on the list, if you have not verified your YouTube channel, you cannot upload long form video that are over 15 minutes. No, it cannot happen. It cannot happen. So before you start making long form video in order that are above 15 minutes, if you go ahead and upload that video without verifying your YouTube channel first, it will upload though, but after uploading it will say file too long. That means your data that you have used to upload that video, after successful uploadment, it is a waste of data. Not just a waste of data, a waste of time. So to avoid that, you have to first verify your YouTube channel. Number 4 on the list is you can verify your YouTube channel. Helps you to create more live stream daily. So there's a limitation that you have if you have not verified your YouTube channel, in the sense that you can't create, there's a numbers of live stream that you can go a day. So to avoid all of that, you have to verify your YouTube channel. It also helps you to create more shorts daily. With a verified YouTube channel, helps you. A verified that is like this. The list on my list is it is required for you to be eligible to apply for monetization. You get it? I know you created a YouTube channel. One of the purpose of creating it is for it to be monetized in order for it to be generating revenue from it. So what is the essence of putting all of this work? This happen? No. So you have to put all of these things in, you have to put your channel in place, so that, and one of the requirement of setting up your channel in place to be eligible for monetization is you have to verify it. A verified YouTube channel is just like a business name that has been registered with the government official. So without it registration, everything you are using that business name for is looks to the government official in that environment as illegal. So for you to be identified as the rightful owner of that thing you claim that is yours, you have to be verify it. And how do you verify it? Simple. There are three ways there. When it comes to that, I will show you. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video properly as I take you step by step process on how you verify your YouTube channel. And before then, I will remind you again, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to receive a notification alert of every video that will be uploading of this channel. So let's go. So what I will do is I will open my Chrome browser. For you, I don't know the kind of the browser you are using, but my demonstration will be carried out using a Chrome browser. So the next thing is to head up to studio.youtube.com, and I'm gonna click on it and wait as the website is loading. You have to exercise a little bit patient. Exercise a little bit patient. After that, because this is not the channel I want to verify, I will switch account. This one of my YouTube channel. So I'll click on the top right where the YouTube channel picture is displaying to access the next stage on this video. So I'll click on it and it will bring and then after that I will click on switch account. I have a lot of accounts. I will go to this very YouTube channel that I want to verify. For you don't have to go through all of this process. So the web page has opened. So this is a new channel I just created. There's no, as you can see, there's no subscriber yet, but that's not our focus. So if you see very well at the bottom left, there's a setting, an icon there, an option for setting, bottom left. So let me zoom it out so that it can be more visible. So I will click on it. So after clicking on it, I'll wait till also it has loaded. So I'll click on shiny. After that, I'll click on feature eligibility. You can see now. Then I'll click on is a standard feature: upload video, create playlist, and add collaboration and new video to playlist. But that is not where I go. I want the advanced one. So say intermediate feature, over 15 minutes video, custom, all of those ones. So let me click eligible. So like I told you before that there are various way the requirements. Say phone number. Okay, this one. Phone number. Say verify your phone number. So I'll click on it. They take me to another page. So we are on the new page that has been opened. So what you will be doing next is very simple. So you will input your phone number that you want to use for the verification. Once you put it, what they are trying to do, they want to verify the shine. So you choose from this option. How should we deliver the verification code? You can choose either text me verification or call me with automated voice call. Normally I choose text me verification code. So you click on next. When they test you the verification code, you put it and you click submit, and that is all you need to do to verify your YouTube channel in order for you to be benefiting or using all of those benefits that are mentioned earlier while I started this video. So this is how you go about verifying your YouTube channel, and as you know, is necessary. So stay tuned for more videos.